Here's a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. With the highest rankings and awards, this vehicle can please both your head and your heart. Safety features like the advanced multi-stage airbags, a rear-view camera, and stability and traction control give you peace of mind while you enjoy the power of the V6 engine. Stay connected with the Uconnect system and universal garage door transmitter. Be ready for your next road trip in this Chrysler Town & Country.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.